As we gather here today for the launching of the first ever Council of Entertainment Leaders and Life Coaches at the Northern Police District in furtherance with the Internal Blending Program and now called Integrity Enhancement. Your presence here today signifies your strong commitment and collaboration with the Philippine National Police Northern Police District. It gives us the courage and strength to fulfill our obligation to the Filipino people. The establishment of the District Council of Entertainment Leaders and Life Coaches marks a significant milestone in our ongoing efforts to foster understanding, tolerance, and cooperation among various religious and spiritual communities within Kamanaba. In embracing this initiative, we are acknowledging the importance of our spiritual guidance, moral compass, and life coaching in the pursuit of genuine and lasting peace, including the transformation effort of the Philippine National Police.
We have a common goal, common aspiration to see a beautiful world, a beautiful community, a peaceful and productive community where our children can prosper and become responsible citizens of this country. Pare-pareho tayong nangangarap ng ganito. And I assure you na ang ginagawa nyo para sa ating kapulisan, tayo ay kabahagi ng pagbuo ng pangarap na ito para sa ating bayan. Ang ginagawa nyo sa amin ay hindi lamang serbisyo ninyo. Ito ay nagbibigay sa amin ng pag-asa. Na in the future we can see yung ating mga pangarap na matupad na sana'y meron tayong mga kapulisan na God-centered, God-fearing, faith-centered, self-oriented. Alam natin natin pakita sa ating kapulisan. Napakalaki po ng aming pasasalamat at merong mga individuals na kagaya ninyo na hinahin sa amin ang ating Panginoon para kami tulungan sa aming pagpapakabait, tingala. Take it as your own. Take it as your achievement. Each time na mayroong achievement ng ating kapulisan, take it as your own. Be proud na kayo ay bahagi at tayo ng PNP. At yan ay pasasalamatan namin sa inyo ng higit pa sa kaya namin kaya gawin ang pagpapasalamat.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to